Hey guys, Kim here with Like Tesla. So we are still waiting on our Model 3 and we are Tesla-less. So I decided to wear the boring wife shirt since we're kind of boring. We don't have a Tesla right now, but these shirts are pretty funny. And if you want one, Evoto makes them, and I'm gonna link to the website in the description here, but they're really funny. There's a whole bunch of cute, boring merchandise on there. This week's episode though is a little bit different than anything we've done before. So being a YouTuber is fun, but it's also can be a little bit stressful at times, and you have to have really thick skin. So what you guys don't know is that we have a filter section on all of our comments, and sometimes if there's things that are really mean in there, it goes straight to our filter. So I'm going to be reading some of these mean comments, sort of like Jimmy Kimmel's mean tweets.
Celebrities in particular get a lot of abuse on the internet, especially on Twitter, because you have this direct connection.
The weather in New York City right now is like a young Britney Spears. Pretty hot, kind of gross.
I haven't read any of them before. My husband has found some and he is going to give those to me. But some of them, I'm supposed to warn you guys, are possibly R-rated. So if you're young and you're watching this, you might need to turn it off or get a parent to watch it first and make that decision for you. But we're gonna go ahead and read our mean comments. So at Becks says, OMG, why did this show up on my YouTube as recommended? Question mark, question mark, question mark. Stay in the f***ing kitchen. So, awesome. You know, women can do other things now. So at Rabid Gollum writes, she's trying so hard to be and sound smart. I hate girls like this. Baby, you're trying really hard. I guess girls can't be smart and funny too. There's a lot of sexist pigs out there. All right, at Yabby Gideon says, and here we go, the vegan leather, because everybody and everything gonna die. All humans, all animals. No point of preserving these animals if we and the animals aren't gonna stay on this planet forever. We can't make things last longer, but everything will fall. We don't have control. Well, that's depressing. I think I'm gonna go cry now. All right, at Howard Kim. What an annoying Why title this video if you're not gonna let it do, you stupid biatch? I don't even know if I really know what that means or what that's even about, but yeah. Okay, at Kyle E. I hate stuck up. If it's such a hassle to find a parking spot, either charge your at home or change your car. It's pretty simple, and don't tell me you care about the environment. Well, maybe you should learn how to spell. All right. At Jamal Lynch writes, Tesla and EV sound like a bunch of whiny pricks. Okay, at Dolly Hanks says, yeah, this was annoying and egocentric AF. What is AF? As are most Americans under 40, TBH. What's TBH?
I don't know.
I need to read up on my lingo here. At Tasos 13 writes, your Tesla, there is nothing better than gasoline or diesel engine. I don't care about your stupid car chargers. Go to a gas station and get some gasoline and learn how to drive a better car. I mean, why? Like, what are these people doing? Do they just like sit at home and decide to write these kind of comments? I don't really get it. And why are you watching a Tesla video if you're so in love with gasoline? The last one, I think, is here, and this is at Disloyal Dashie. And he wrote, F you. From now on, I'll park my 91 Mustang in the electric car spot every single opportunity. Why is this, you say? Because electric cars are junk and will never go anywhere. I'd rather drive a two-stroke than one of those junkers. Internal combustion engines for life, make America great again. I don't even know what to say to respond to that. So anyways, these are some of our mean comments, and these were actually taken just from one day. So you can only imagine what we get in our filter, and that's just from the YouTube videos. Not to mention Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. There's a lot of haters out there, but hopefully there's more lovers than haters. Thanks for watching. All right, so here's the big reveal. So these are the vegan leather, and they're perforated, and Sportline does offer regular leather and a non-perforated option. We also went for